Conclusion. Email list marketing is far and away one of the best ways you can market online. As I've mentioned in the introduction of this training, search engine marketing, for all its innovation, can't even come close. Mailing lists enable you to speak directly to the needs of your audience, regardless of where they are in the world and at any time. You can send them an email at any time, and you can rest assured that a significant percentage of your mailing list members will get to see your updates. Email list marketing is so powerful because it is based on a relationship. By following the 8 steps that I've laid out in this training, you can learn how to recruit a lot of people to your mailing list, speak to their needs, and convert them to maximize your income. The best part to all of this is that mailing list marketing enables you to earn an income in an automated way. You don't have to actively manage each member. Your mailing list software will do it behind the scenes for you. Your list can continue to attract and market to members around the clock without your direct supervision. You could be taking a vacation halfway around the world, and your mailing list continues to generate cold hard cash. Sounds awesome, right? Well, the devil is in the details. This is why I've broken down email marketing into 8 actionable steps. Pay attention to the steps laid out in this training, carry them out, optimize your system, and scale it up. Whether you're looking to earn a few $1,000s more per month or you're looking for 7 figures, email marketing gives you the opportunities you need to earn your desired income. I wish you nothing but the greatest success.